Hey everyone, welcome to my new online course, Contemporary Color Palette. I have worked so hard for this course and I created just under 5 hours of content, so it's going to be filled with information, and I find that color is such an important part of well-being. Particularly now, more than ever, I find that I need color in my life. But how do I select color? How do we go through the huge variety of all the choices that we have available to us now? And how do we pick colors that look good together, work good? Exploring color in a depth and trying to understand what is it about a color that makes us feel a certain way. So that is what I will be looking at and what we will be exploring together during this course. We will be, of course, starting with a really fun, easygoing swatch warm-up. Just swatching and trying out different colors and art supplies is already a very important start. And quite often during those beginnings is where the magic starts. We will also complete 3 different pieces of painting, and they will mostly be based on watercolor, but they will have some mixed media elements to it as well. I have designed this course with watercolor lovers in mind, so the watercolor will be dominating. In fact, one of the pieces will be just watercolors, another piece will be just watercolors to begin with, and then you can keep it at that level, or if you want, you can add mixed media art supplies to take it to the next level. Also, there will be, in terms of the content, there will be one abstract piece which we will start with. It's also that I find abstract painting helps to loosen up. It's part of kind of getting into things and relaxing, and you don't need to really be precise with anything. You just go for it. And then the other 2 will be based on botanicals, so hopefully you will enjoy that. There will be a lot of work we will do in between the 3 finalized projects. As you can see, there will be plenty and plenty of playtime, and I will share also my happy palette with you. And right at the end of the course, we will touch a little bit on the color theory. It will be more of a color theory for beginners, so it won't go too much into depth, because I'm actually planning to start working on the next course where it will be a bit more detailed and will be a great add-on to this course as well. So I will be working on color wheels and color therapy, or color theory. It's actually almost same thing really in my mind. So that is the course, and I hope you will enjoy it. It is available on Teachable, Alyona Creates. I will leave the link down below. If you haven't checked out my first course, Playful Watercolor with Mixed Media, then I will also link it for you down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the course.